Hey guys, it's Dr. Brown with Kubo Math coming to you from Tarlac City, Philippines. And this video is by special request from a few of my good friends. This is from Bea, Kristine, and Ivin. Okay, so we have a video for you guys and a problem I want you guys to work. Okay, Bea, Kristine, and Ivin go shopping. Now their parents have given them a pile of money, 5,000 pesos, to go shopping with, not each, but all together. Okay, so all the money they have is 5,000 pesos. Well, Bea buys some shoes. Kristine buys a dress that costs 300 pesos more than Bea's shoes. Ivin buys a cool Kubo Math T-shirt for half the cost of Bea's shoes. If they had 200 pesos left over out of the original 5,000, how much did each spend? Let's get after this one. Okay, wow. Okay, originally they had 5,000 pesos. It says that they had 200 left over. So 5,000 minus 200 gives me 4,800. So that's what they spent. So that means that the 4,800 equals what Bea spent plus what Kristine spent plus what Ivin spent. So that would be 4,800. Okay, well, Bea bought some shoes. Okay, so we'll say that B is for Bea, K is Kristine, I is for Ivin, obviously. Okay, well, Kristine, she bought a dress, and that dress cost 300 more than Bea's shoes. So it's the same plus 300. But Ivin, he gets the T-shirt for half the cost of Bea's shoes. So if we divide Bea's shoes in half, that would be what Ivin spent. So let's let what Ivin spent be 1 unit. And this is 1 unit. And that's 1 unit. Well, that's obviously 1 unit because we cut hers in half. He spent half. So that would be 1 unit. This is also 1 unit because it was what Bea spent plus 300. So let's look it up here. So now we have the 4,800 equals what Bea spent plus what Kristine spent. Well, what did Kristine spend? She spent 2 units plus 300. Maybe I just put it here. Bea spent 2 units. Ivin spent 1 unit. Well, if I add those up, 2 units plus 2 units plus 1 unit, that's 5 units. Plus 300. Now that's my total cost. Well, that equals 4,800. Whoa. Well, I don't want to know what 5 units plus 300 is. I just want to know what 1 unit cost, and then we'll go back and calculate everybody's cost of each person. So if I subtract 300 from both sides, because I'm trying to get everything out of the way except the word unit. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 300. So 300 minus 300 is 0. So bring down the 5 units. And that equals 4,800 minus 300. That leaves 4,500. Well, I want to know 1 unit, so let me divide that by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 time unit is 1 unit. Okay, but I have to divide this side by 5. So 1 unit equals 900. Now that 4,500 divided by 5, if I cover up those two zeros, what number times 5 gives me 45? 9. Didn't bring my two zeros back. That's where that 900 comes from. Okay, 1 unit is 900. So what does that look like? Well, looks like Ivan spent 900. He spent 1 unit. Kristine spent 2 units, so 2 times 900 plus 300. So 2 times 9 is 18, so 1800 plus 300. So Kristine spent 2,100. Bea spent 2 units, so 2 times 900 is 1,800. So now I have 1,800 plus 2,100 plus 900, so 0, 0. See, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. Whoa. So, Bea spent 1,800. Kristine spent 2,100. And Ivan spent 900. That was the 4,800. They brought 200 back to their parents. So plus 200 would give me the original 5,000 that they were given. Okay, you guys, Bea, Kristine, Ivin, you work on this one, and we'll talk about it another day. All right, why are we doing this? Because we want, together we're going to build a better tomorrow, and we're going to do that through math, okay? All right, you guys have a great evening, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.